So we are at modern Ryokan Kishi-ke, established in 2019. As you can see, it's a modern Japanese style ryokan in Kamakura, which is in Kanagawa Prefecture, just about an hour from Tokyo. So it is very convenient, and there's a lot of day trippers that come here. But it is very nice to be able to spend overnight, partly to avoid the crowd, which thins out in the morning and in the afternoon. This is just the main reception area where they serve tea, welcome the guests, and it's actually one group of guests per night. And you can see here, this is the accommodations. You can see there's a nice rock garden. Again, this is in Kamakura, which was the capital during the Kamakura shogunate days, which predates the Tokugawa by quite some time, actually, many hundreds of years. So this is, again, if you book it, you book it all to yourself. And you can see here, it's 2 stories. The first floor is the place where you pass the time during the day. It's kind of a tea room style layout. You walk in, and we'll come around. Let me get up here. Again, so this is a ryokan style. Kind of gives it a sense of place, because again, Kamakura was the capital after Kyoto. Just south of Tokyo and a little bit south of Yokohama. You can see there's an ocean. So there's a kitchen, mini bar, all the trimmings. So this is where they will serve breakfast, which for breakfast, which is included in the rate, they serve shojin style, which is a kind of a Buddhist vegetarian, Japanese vegetarian style meal, which is an interesting experience. And you can also have, they have various meal options that are available for a fee, where they can actually call in chefs to cook right there in front of you. So anyway, so that's the first floor room. All right, and then we're gonna go upstairs. Let me put on my slippers, slide them on. I'm gonna go upstairs now. And I'm going to go in to the sound of crows. So this is the upstairs. Again, when you stay here, there's only one. This is the one building or structure. So they accept one group of guests. This is run by a husband and wife, the Kishi family. And this is the bedroom. Behind the bed is the closet. They have yukata robes as well as samue, which are kind of Japanese style comfy pajamas. And they have hangers, and you can put your rollerboard or spinners there. And then a little desk, chair, coffee machine. They have mini bar. They have a mini bar on the first and second floor, as well as a toilet in the first and second floor. Everything in the mini bar on both floors is complimentary. You have dual sinks. They even have a washing machine back here. And then I believe, let's open this up. I think this is the bathroom. Oh. All right. Anyways, you know what a bathroom looks like. So nothing out of the ordinary. And then this is where you take a shower. See, there's some lemon and some bath salt that you would put in this massive bath with a hinoki wood. It's not onsen, which for onsen you want to go a little bit further afield to the Hakone area, or Atami, which are known for the hot springs. Anyway, so this is it. There's various activities. Kamakura itself is a historic city. There's a lot to do, a lot to see. There's Enoshima, which is an island not too far from here, which has an aquarium and other things, but it's a very historic town. A lot of temples, there's shopping streets. It's just overall a chill place. There's an ocean, nice beaches, at least during the summer months. So anyways, that is modern Ryokan Kishi-ke, established in 2019. So word of mouth really hasn't proliferated just yet. But if what we've seen so far is any indication, hopefully with COVID now, with Japan opening up to foreign guests, hopefully, things will pick up. And the Kishi family will see you here. Hope you enjoyed.